Digital marketing is the latest and most effective type of marketing for any product. Digital marketing branches out a wide variety of marketing styles, out of which affiliate marketing is the most prominent one. Affiliate marketing is one of the outstanding advertising models. A company hires third-party publishers to implement innovative ideas to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. If you are the one who is an affiliate marketing aspirant looking out for the best and most powerful tools in the market to tap the lucrative career opportunities with the leading business giants, then search no more. SkillUp's Introduction to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners program is just what you need to upskill and get ahead. This course is curated in collaboration with leading market analysis, digital marketing and affiliate marketing giants that are real-time industry experts, ensuring this program covers the critical skills, techniques and hands-on experience with the powerful affiliate marketing tools to make sure the learners are industry ready. The best part is, all of this is for free of cost. Yes, you heard me right. The course is 2 hours long and all the modules are self-paced video lessons with 90 days of access to the entire course. This allows you to learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. After completing this course, you will receive a post-completion certificate from SkillUp. This certificate can be shared within your professional circle. This course will train you to understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, from using affiliate marketing tools to preparing a perfect result-oriented strategy. This free affiliate marketing course will help you reach your career goals. The trainer explains every step in detail and demonstrates how to use each tool, making it easier for you to learn, implement and get the best results. First, we will learn a brief overview of affiliate marketing. Then, we will look into affiliate marketing strategy. Followed by that, we will deal with the email marketing techniques. Next, we will learn about the important affiliate marketing tools. Finally, we will wind up the certification program by understanding affiliate marketing perspective. By the end of this course, you will be an expert affiliate marketing professional. So now, you might be thinking, who is eligible to take this course? Well, there are no prerequisites to enroll to this course. Each of you who has a zeal for learning market analysis, digital marketing and affiliate marketing can take up this course irrespective of your experience. So, what are you waiting for? Head straight to our SkillUp page and enrich your affiliate marketing skills with leading affiliate marketing tools and techniques by enrolling in our free course today. Get closer to your dreams, and what can get better than a free certificate to strengthen your profile? Certifications bring you one step closer to bagging the opportunity and becoming an affiliate marketing expert